Welcome to day 2 of our 30 days of meditation challenge, and congratulations on making it this far already. So today we're going to meditate on the sounds around us and use listening to these sounds as our way of anchoring ourselves in the present moment and calming our minds. So begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting down or lying down if that's more comfortable. And then closing your eyes. And I will guide you through the first part of this meditation, and then we'll sit together in silence, meditating for a couple of minutes until we hear this bell to signal the end of the meditation. So start to bring your focus to all of the sounds around you in this moment. Start to hear everything as it is in this moment, whether it be the sound of cars passing by, the hum of appliances, the chatter of conversation, wherever you are and whatever the sounds are. Being aware of every sound as it comes up. And as you listen to these sounds, try not to become too fixated on any sound or think about what any sound means. Try instead to let the sounds wash over you like a shower. Hearing the sounds as they come up and letting them go as they fade away. And as we enter a period of meditating silently together, knowing that if your mind wanders, you can always bring it back to focusing on the sounds around you, to focusing on this present moment. And wherever you are in your meditation, coming back to my voice and closing today's meditation with 3 deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. And before we go back into our days, just taking a final moment to thank yourself for taking this time out of your busy day to sit in stillness for just a few minutes, knowing how good that is for you. And whenever you're ready, bringing some movement back into your body and opening your eyes and having a beautiful day.